You've probably seen this before. Some channels upload 3 videos and blow up. Others post 50 videos and get nothing. So what's actually going on? In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 7 mistakes that are secretly killing your YouTube growth. And the scary part? Most creators don't even realize they're making them. But stick with me, because fixing even one of these could completely change your channel. And at the end, I'm exposing one of the biggest lies on YouTube about old accounts. Mistake number 1, not sticking to one niche. This one destroys more channels than anything. Here's what happens. You see a viral niche. You get excited. You post 2 videos. Nothing happens. So you switch. New niche. New name. New banner. Repeat. Now your channel looks like 5 different creators fighting each other, and YouTube, it has no idea who to show your content to. So it shows it to no one. Fix. Your niche probably isn't the problem. You just quit too early. Most people give up after 3 to 4 videos when the algorithm hasn't even started learning yet. Make 15 to 20 videos minimum before switching anything. Mistake number 2, copying other channels. This one is everywhere. You find a viral channel and you copy everything. Same style, same titles, same ideas. And then you wonder, why am I not getting views? Because YouTube already has that creator. Why would it push you? Fix. Don't copy. Remix. Find what works. Then add your angle. Different audience, different twist, different energy. That's how you win. Mistake number 3, not understanding your audience. This is where most people mess up. They pick a niche, but never ask, who is this actually for? Same niche equals different audiences. Men versus women. Teenagers versus adults. Different cultures, completely different content strategy. Example, Roblox audience 13 to 17. Fast cuts, chaos, constant hooks. 45 plus audience, got calm, clear, valuable. No crazy editing needed. Fix. Before you post, define age, gender, interests, attention span. Because if you don't know your audience, you can't hold their attention. Mistake number 4, bad packaging. Your video could be amazing, but if nobody clicks, it's dead. Packaging equals title plus thumbnail. That's it. YouTube, test your video on a small group. If they don't click, it stops pushing. Weak title. Morning habits for success. Strong title. I woke up at 5 a.m. for 30 days. Here's what happened. Which one are you clicking? Exactly. Fix. Thumbnail equals curiosity. Title equals payoff. First 30 seconds equals deliver instantly. No slow intros. No rambling. Hook. Value. Momentum. Mistake number 5, hashtag spam. This one feels productive, but it's useless. People put 30 hashtags, random trends, irrelevant tags, thinking it will go viral. It won't. YouTube already understands your content, and spammy tags can actually hurt you. Fix. Clean title. Clear topic. Strong idea. This is risky. Like channel deletion, risky. YouTube is extremely strict here. And a lot of tutorials don't tell you that. So beginners jump in and get terminated. Fix. If you're new, avoid it. There are way safer niches to grow in. Mistake number 7, obsessing over analytics. Be honest. You upload a video, then refresh YouTube Studio 50 times, watching every view, every click, every second. And when it doesn't blow up instantly, you lose motivation. Here's the truth. Checking stats doesn't grow your channel. Posting again does. Fix. Check analytics once a day, max. then get back to creating, because your next video is always the one that changes everything. Final truth. The old account myth. You've probably heard this. You need an old account to grow. That's false. I've seen brand new channels with brand new emails blow up, and old channels stay dead. What actually matters? Good ideas, strong packaging, consistency, avoiding these mistakes. That's it. If you fix even 2 or 3 of these, your channel will look completely different in 30 days. So now the real question is, which mistake are you making right now? And more importantly, which one are you fixing first?